Hey, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Kotobukiya. This very fragile Zoids kit here, the Gunsniper 1/72 scale model. And yep, to be honest, I'm not a fan of the Gunsniper, but since I really love the Blitz team of the Zoid, I included it in my collection since I have the Blade Liger, the Liger Zero, the Bison, and the Shadow Fox. So now I included the Gun Sniper, and maybe I will include soon the Terrace Bomber. Okay, so Gun Sniper here is not so a large Zoid kit. It's one of the small scale Zoids, or the small Zoid type in their universe. So this is a bit smaller compared with the Bison and the Ligers and other dinosaur-like Zoids. But this is having the most, if not most, the the firepower. It has the best firepower in terms of the weaponries. So here we can see that the Zoid here comes with several machine guns, both sides. So this is a symmetrical load of machine guns, and in the arms here we can see Gatling guns. Okay, you can see Gatling guns here, which looks toyish. And you have the option on whether using this silver plastic arms or the blue one also. It comes with this kind of blue also. In this case, I choose the silver because I much like the silver. If I'm going to use the blue, maybe there will be no more enough contrast on the blue part. Okay, so there's this cockpit here. Of course, this is the 1/72 scale cockpit of the female pilot. I forget her name, but she's also in the pilot of the Bison after Thomas Schuboltz left the Bison. Yep. In the I forgot the series, by the way. Anyway, we can see here some scopes there. These orange plastics, these are scopes. And we got here missiles. Yep, we got hatches of missiles here at the back. And yep, it's comparable with your Gundam Heavy Arms, to be honest. That's why I bought this kit here. And there we can see at the back there's clear orange lights. It's like a signal, for like the signal from the trucks, like that. And we got here the tail, which act as the sniper. This is the main weapon. So in the anime, if this Zoid stopped moving and started to turn its back on you and straighten this tail here, there's no more escape because this is a sniper rifle. Yep, the pilot will use the scope. So this is the scope here, and this will straighten, but I don't like straighten it because, as I said, this is one of the brittle Zoids that I have. It's very difficult to play with. So if you don't like brittle model kits, do not buy this. But if you like the Gun Sniper, buy at your own risk. Anyway, so this can be straightened and it can act as a sniper rifle for a long range deadly shot. Okay, so the feet here, or the hind legs, these can be troublesome sometimes. But yep, as you can see, there's this very thin peg on this leg. I wonder why Kotobukiya did this kind of connection for the legs, which is very thin. I'm telling you, this is very thin. It's very fragile, and I don't like playing it anymore. So I just want to make this stay like this. So what I can say that you need to watch out for is, of course, those thin pegs for the hind legs. It's very thin. You might accidentally break it if you're not careful enough. Okay, and here on the hands, the claws or the talons here, it's also nice. You can use to play with it. You can do like this, that, and the claws here on the feet or the talons can move up and down like that, up and down. Okay. And so let's go with the size comparison, and it's here side by side with the Kotobukiya Metal Gear Rex, the black version. So this is a 172 scale. Still, it's pretty small. Yes, if you're going to make this a 1/100 scale, it will become more smaller. And let's compare it side by side with the gun tank from Gundam. This is your master grade gun tank. So it's a bit about the same size. Let's compare it with another 172 scale model kit here. I got here the or Battler's Turbine. So this is your Turbine here. They're the same scale. And finally, side by side with the Gundam Hazel Custom 1/100 or master grade model kit here. Yep. So see you next time in my other reviews. As I said, this kit is really fragile. That's why I didn't proceed to the articulation. But you can watch the other reviewers for that. But for me, this is a good kit. It's a good kit if you're a fan of the Blitz team. But if you're not a fan of fragile kits, do not buy this. So see you next time. Goodbye. God bless. Take care.